Hello my hair warriors, it's me, Aaron O'Brien, your friendly neighbourhood hairdresser. Today's video is sponsored by Lordhair.com, and today we are going to take you through history. Yes, the history of hair systems, once called toupees, and much more. Let's get going. Follow me. Okay, let's dive in to the fabulous centuries-long saga of men's hair systems while I'm doing my own. So from ancient empires to the Hollywood lights, hair systems for men have been as stylish as they are sneaky. And believe me, when it comes to hair, men have always known how to keep it on point. Yes, they did. So in the ancient beginnings, picture this, ancient Egypt. 3400 BC, men are out there under the blazing desert sun, but the bald look, not always practical. Egyptian men popped on wigs to keep cool and stay fabulous. The bigger the wig, the higher the status. We're talking intricate braids, scented oils, that works. Okay, so then we fast forward a bit to Romans and Greeks. Now, these guys were getting creative. Not only were wigs still in the mix, but Roman men sometimes used hair pieces to add a little oomph to their look. Hello, Julius Caesar. They say he wore his hair forward to cover thinning spots. You could call it the first ever Caesar cut. Then came the 1600s, and wait for it, powdered wigs. Yes, by this time wigs were all about drama and status. King Louis VIII of France started rocking wigs to hide his baldness, and the trend just exploded. Think curls upon curls, powdered white, and enough volume to rival today's biggest blowouts. Fast forward again, and by the 1800s, men started to go out au natural. Wigs were out, but discreet little hair pieces called toupees started making the rounds. Perfect for those just add a little hair here moments. Very subtle, don't you think? Okay, so to the mid-20th century, the Hollywood hair craze. By the 1950s, toupees hit Hollywood. Big stars sported them proudly, giving the average guy a little courage to hop on the hairpiece bandwagon. After all, if Clark Gable could pull it off, why not? Okay, so there's different types of modern hair systems. Today's lineup, lace systems for that oh so natural hairline, poly bases for durability, and even combo systems blending the best of both worlds. There are also clip-ins and lots of different types of hair systems for a seamless look. Now, that's variety. Okay, so whether it's wigs in ancient Egypt, powdered wigs in France, or high-tech hair today, men's hair systems have come a long way, from simple solutions to status symbols to today's modern magic. They're proof that hair, even when it's not yours, can totally make the man. And there you have it. Fabulous, fun, and follicle-filled journey of men's hair systems through the ages. I hope you enjoyed. Okay, so as you can see, hair systems have been around for a long time. All the modern advances have really taken shape into what Lordhair systems have today. Extremely natural, you can't tell, and you know what? It just builds your confidence. Hair systems have truly come a long way, and you know what? I'm even more excited for what's in the future when it comes to these. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed watching the hair systems through the ages. If you want me to answer any of your questions, don't forget to put them in the comments below. Click the link, follow, all of that good stuff, and I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Bye!